What's up, guys? Just giving you another update this week. Just again, been super busy time of year, I guess. I did get a chance over the weekend. I started filming another video about getting that yellow truck started. We don't have it started yet, but we've definitely made some steps towards it. Um, so maybe this weekend I'll have some time to sit down and edit some videos and get a couple weeks ahead again. Until then, we'll just kind of make these short little hellos. But yeah, so in that video, we changed the oil on the yellow truck. It was super nasty. So if you guys want some tips, an old mechanic gave me some tips on how to what to put down in there to help clean it out. Well, I don't want to spoil too much of the video because it was kind of nasty, kind of a disappointment for me. And any of you guys who are car guys know, well, if you're changing the oil and you get a problem or a disappointment, you can probably guess what it is. But we'll save that for the video. Anyways, otherwise, this week we've sent out four ramps, four sets. What else have we done? Did some general labor work, handrails. Oh, and then I have some targets to make, and I'm also gonna make a wood bundle wrapper. We're kind of trying it out. My nephew, who's about, I think he's 20 now. How he's that old? Anyways, he's kind of doing some summer help stuff for me, and we're looking for stuff for him to do. So wood bundles selling out at the road, and maybe we'll settle the convenience store down the street or something. He will do that, and I got a call. That's the other thing that might be a fun video. I have to call a guy. He had some Schedule 40 drops, 3.5-inch pipe, and I want to say the drops were like 7 feet. 6-7 feet, something like that. And he used to sell them for a pretty good price. I don't know what he sells them for now, but if he has enough and he wants to sell them, we're gonna start a little cattle operation out back. So we need to put up fence, and I was gonna buy those from him, which that gen pole right there that I should finish is out of Schedule 40 3.5-inch pipe. And then I'll just get some like 2 3/8 or something to do some H braces across, and we'll do a video on that. So that'll be kind of fun because I like take our time and weld out the pipe. But yeah, it's been a struggle to make videos lately. My mom's getting ready to sell her house, so I've either been driving over there. She lives like 2 hours away. Driving over there to help get her house ready to sell, or and then getting here and trying to get caught up on jobs and everything. So I've just been lacking on videos and whatnot. Did order some podcast equipment, so we're gonna try and get a few guests and do that kind of thing. So but yeah, otherwise I just wanted to say hey, give you an update on what my week looked like. Again, we're up over 730 subscribers now, maybe even 740. I haven't checked, which is awesome, super cool. We're gonna, it was May, end of May, which is crazy that it's already that far along the year. But our goal for the year was 1,000. I think we started with like 500 subscribers or something. So I guess really we're almost halfway through the year, and you know, we had to gain 500 subscribers this year, and we are almost halfway there. So I guess we're on track. But I still feel like some of our videos, you can see on their views are really starting to ramp up, and thank you for that. I think the $10,000, start a welding business for $10,000 and make $1,000 a day. And a couple of the other videos are really starting to, at least for my channel, catch some wind. Oh, and the 100-hour review. We'll probably have another video coming on the Hobart Champion Elite. I'm putting a gas gauge on there. Gonna get this trailer done. Oh, I picked up two 8,000 pound, not 8,000, 7,000 pound capacity axles. So we've got those just taking up room in my shop. But I'm thinking, and I don't really know, we've been talking about going and buying a dump trailer to rent out to some of the contractors we do work for, because sometimes they have issues getting dumpsters on time, and you know, the company's dropping them off when they say they're going to. So but I was just gonna buy a new one, and just for the sake of time. But it was a year wait on a new one, and used ones I'd have to go all the way to Ohio for, and they're used and beat up and kind of at like new prices. So, and then those axles kind of fell in my lap from one of the farms I do work for. Didn't need them anymore. So now I'm kind of thinking, get this and this done so they can get out of here and then start building our own. Because I told the contractors that there's 3 of them, maybe, actually there's 4 of them for sure now. Well, there's 3 of them. Pretty sure there's 4, but 3 of them who would definitely use it. And I told them it was a year wait on one, and then I told them, and they keep me pretty busy right now with work, so I told them, I said, well, I could build one, but the trouble is, to build one, I have to go build it, and I can't be here. And they said, well, that doesn't really work out either, because we need you here doing stuff. So might be a winter project, but who knows? Who knows? So many things can happen between now and then. But anyways, guys, thank you as always for supporting my channel. If you haven't already, please subscribe to our channel. We're trying to reach our goal. We're trying to get monetized this year, and I think we'll manage it. Most of the goals I set for the channel we usually hit early, so I think we'll get there. But yeah, guys. Anyways, everyone be safe this Memorial Day weekend, but have lots of fun, and I'll see y'all on the next video. Peace.